Hey there guys, Chet here. If there's one connection that everyone needs in automation, it's Google Sheets. We use it for everything from customer lists to sales data. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect n8n to Google Sheets so that you can automate like a pro. Now, before we can get or send any data, we need to do one very important first step. We need to give n8n permission to talk to our Google account. The great news is that you only have to do this one time. This process is called authentication, and n8n makes it very simple and secure. To begin, you can add a Google Sheets node to your workflow. Click the plus button, then search for Google Sheets app. Now, you will see a couple of different triggers and actions related to Google Sheets. For this example, let's go under Actions and click the Create Spreadsheet option. This will take you to the Google Sheet node's settings. Inside the settings panel for that node, you will see a field for the credential. Let's click on that drop-down menu that you see there. Now from there, you will choose the option to create a new credential. A new window will then pop up. In this window, click on the button that says Sign In with Google. Now, this will pop up another window, but this time from Google. This window will ask you to sign in and choose the Google account that has the spreadsheets that you want to work with. Go ahead and select the correct account now. Now, after you choose your account, Google will show you a new permission screen. This screen is very important. It tells you exactly what permissions n8n is asking for. For example, the ability to see and edit your Google Sheets files. This is necessary so that n8n can later read data from your sheets or write new data to them for you. To approve this, just click the Continue button at the bottom. Once you give permission, you will be taken back to n8n and you will see a final window that says your Google Sheets account is now connected. Finally, this will securely save your new connection inside of your n8n account. And that is the entire process. If you look at your Google Sheets node now, you will see that your newly created credential is automatically selected in the field. You have now successfully and securely connected n8n to Google Sheets. You can use this same saved credential for any Google Sheets node in any of your future workflows without ever having to sign in again. So that is how you connect n8n to Google Sheets. First, you connect your account one time securely. Then you can use the Get Many Rows operation to read your data, or you can use the Append Row operation to write new data. It is a simple but incredibly powerful connection that you will likely use in almost every single workflow that you build. All right, that's the end of this video. Listen, if you found it useful, I go way deeper inside of my school community. I built a complete n8n course where you'll learn how to go from beginner to building advanced systems, plus live calls and exclusive templates that you won't find anywhere else. All of the links that you'll need are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.